Morning dear students, now in this video I am going to explain your question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so question number 5 is Jenny was born on 29 February. Her birthday comes once in dash years. Okay, so when was Jenny born? Yes, it is 29 February. And you know beta, generally a year has 365 days, but in leap year the a year has 366 days, and February is the month that has 20 generally February has 28 days, but in leap year February has 29 days instead of 28. Okay, so leap year comes one time in a 4 year. Okay, so her birthday comes once in 4 years, so the answer will be 4. Okay, these are very simple questions, so no need of to solve on notebook. Okay, and the next question is the sum of two numbers is 25. दो numbers का sum कितना है 25. Their difference is 5. What are the two numbers? कौन से टू नंबर्स हो सकते हैं कि जिनको हम जब ऐड करेंगे तो उनका सम कितना आएगा 25, एंड व्हेन उनका जो डिफरेंस है वो कितना आएगा 5. सो चिल्ड्रन, if we subtract 15, if we subtract 10 from 15, then we get 5. Okay, you have to remember that the sum of those numbers must be 25. So here you can see 15. If we add 15 and 10, then we will get the answer 25. So the answer will be 15, 10. These are the two numbers. Okay, next question is question number 5. If you take 4 oranges out of 6 from a basket, how many oranges do you have? Dear students, suppose this is the basket. Okay, actually my drawing is not good. Okay, but only for understanding. Okay, suppose this is the basket and there are 6 oranges. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 oranges in this basket. If you take 1 2 3 4 oranges, then how many oranges do you have? Simple, you have taken 4 oranges from the basket, so you have 1 2 3 4 oranges, so the answer will be 4. Okay, question number 8. What is heavier, 5.5 kg or 550 grams? Okay, for this question we have to use the notebooks. Okay, for better understanding. So beta, the last question is what is heavier, 5.5 kg or 550 grams. Okay, so children, as we all know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, so here it is very much obvious that 550 grams is less than 1000 grams. Okay, 55 grams 550 grams is less than 1000 grams. Okay, it is not even 1 kg. Okay, because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, and 5.5 kg means 5 kg and 5 grams. Okay, so beta 5.5 kg is heavier than 550 grams because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So and 5.5 kg is equal to 5 kg and 5 grams. So 5 kg is equal to 5000 grams. So 5.5 kg is heavier than 5.5 kg is heavier than 550 grams. Okay, so the answer will be 5.5 kg. It's your answer. Now I hope you all have understood this maze, and now you have to write it in your book. Thank you and have a nice day.